Are you part of a high-performing team? Let's explore what makes these teams successful and the overall team effectiveness framework from Lighthouse Consulting's. This method has transformed team success. Innovation is key to competitive advantage. The framework fosters a culture where risks are embraced and failures spark creativity and groundbreaking ideas. Next, we explore decision-making in high-performance teams. Blending speed with inclusivity navigates uncertainties. It's about creating an environment where diverse voices make informed choices. Collaboration is key for top teams. It fosters shared knowledge and growth. Digital platforms enable seamless interaction. Agility today means adapting quickly. The framework promotes flat team structures, enhancing responsiveness and empowering swift pivots. The overall team effectiveness framework covers innovation, decision-making, collaboration, and agility to enhance team dynamics. As we implement these strategies, it's crucial to assess and refine them. The goal is to foster an environment where accountability, creativity, and collaboration drive the team forward. Learn more about the framework and read the Forbes Business Council article published by our founder. Contact us to explore more.